Peter, can you just give us a brief detail of what ISM do?
Yeah, my name's Peter Allen. I'm Joint Managing Director here, and I think our primary role can be explained as comprehensive waste management and recycling. One of our main drivers of our business is to divert waste away from landfill, and in doing so we're producing a waste that can go to waste to energy plants for combined heat and power, therefore known in the industry as refuse derived fuel. And the way we bring that waste in is with our own collection fleet of vehicles, and once it's here we have all our plant and equipment that's in the background here behind me. So we have a comprehensive suite of services. Think waste management, and we can probably handle it for you.
Yeah. Obviously, going back to the question in relation to what you mentioned about the amount of kit you've got on site, I see you've got a few Liebherrs, a couple of Volvos, and you've chose Fireward to protect them with fire suppression systems. Yeah,
the directors here, and the lead up to this, many years ago now, with our first system, looked out into the marketplace for a fire protection system in the first instance that would protect our assets, but primarily our shredder at that point. And having looked across the marketplace and you do your due diligence, we came to the conclusion that Fireward was the best fit for us, and that's the platform that we want to be on, and we've rolled that out progressively over the ensuing years.
Yeah. So like you said, we have been dealing with you a couple of years. I think it was 2018 we've been dealing with you since, with obviously the fire suppression systems. How will Fireward treat you? Do they obviously keep up to date with your servicing? And
yeah, well, like most suppliers, you've got a level of expectation that comes with it, and if it's not met, then you're correcting it. We don't have to correct it with Fireward. It's always there. You do your due diligence at the start and you hope you've got it right. We've got it right, and we get the support and everything that you need in order to support that system.
Yeah.
And your supply chain. Brilliant.
Okay. No, good. Yeah. We our engineers obviously turn up on site here every 6 months to do the servicing.
Yeah.
How do you think that goes? Are we always on time? Is everybody obviously?
Yeah, I mean, as most business, always on time, unless there's a change to schedule. Sometimes we can't facilitate it, and there's a rejig in the diary, But invariably, it all goes to plan. We've got the commercial workshops here where we can pull the vehicles and the plant in, and hand them over to your girls that come in doing the maintenance and the servicing for us.
Okay. Would you recommend Fireward to other businesses in the same line of business as yourself?
Yeah. I think your first instalment is always met with a little bit of have we done the right thing, and then future instalments that you have, you grow that confidence with any supplier, and that's grown with Fireward to a point where that trust snowballs. You escalate and you get the good feeling. Or if you've got a bad supplier, whatever it is, you get the bad feeling and you've made the wrong decision. We've made the right decision. We get the backup, we get the support. It's a good product. The old cliche, it does what it says on the tin. Yeah. It's going to work. So yeah, absolutely. I recommend Fireward out there, in the marketplace. Like I said previously, we've done our due diligence. So perhaps we've done that. If somebody wants to take that for free, they can. But yeah, we've got a high degree of confidence in Fireward and the product that they
That's great. Okay, thank you. Well, thanks for your time today, Peter. It was obviously, lovely being here today, see the guys in action, and obviously the machines in action. And hopefully we'll keep running on with the business and treat you well.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.